Hello everyone, welcome to LearnPy. Today we'll be doing sets as part of the data structure course. Okay. So why is sets? Okay, so sets are an ordered collection of values without duplicates and then are represented using the curly braces. Okay, so the curly braces is also something with dictionaries. Okay, so dictionary uses the curly braces, but it has a key and then a value. But that of sets only uses the comma and then the curly braces. So that's it. So let's see an example here. So this a set of these values and then we are printing it out. So let me print it out, shift enter. Okay, so it gives us the same values. Let's say here you could see mango and then mango. Mango appears twice. So let's see the results here. The results here we can see we only have one mango. Okay, so sets removes duplicate values. Okay, so let's try that out. Okay, so let me see names equals then curly braces quotation comments me. So let me say my name is me and then he. Let me print names. Okay, so we have he and me. So let's try that for the duplicates. Control C, Control V. Then I'm going to add let's say me again. Okay, so printing it out. Okay, so you can see it took the me out. Okay, so we have only one me printed out. So sets are good ways for removing, or if you want values to remove duplicate values, you use sets. Okay, so let's see what other method to use. Okay, so we have an add method. Okay, so here fruits.add strawberry. Let's say I want to add another name, so Control V, sorry, names dot add brackets quotation comments. Let me see him or she. Okay, do print. Okay, so this wouldn't work. This gave us, so I'm going to take this out. Let's try that again. So names dot add into brackets him. Okay, so let's print. Okay, so you can see we've had him added. Okay, so let's see what other function we can do here. So so here we are testing if banana isn't fruit. Okay, so let's print it out. So it's going to give us a boolean. So banana is not part of the fruit. So let's go here and let's see print to brackets. Let's say he in names. Okay, so true. So we have he in the names set. Okay, and it gave us a boolean true. Let's see what other method we can use. Okay, so here this set we are testing these two values to see using the intersection method to see what variables these two sets have in common. So let's print and see. So we have pepper. So pepper is in the fruit, and then we also have pepper in the vegetables. Okay, so let's try that. Insert another cell. I'm going to create name underscore 1 equals me, comma you, comma, and then I. So name underscore 2 equals curly braces. Let's say me, comma, her, comma, and then she. Okay, so print. The parentheses want to find name underscore one dot intersection then parenthesis name underscore 2. So let's print it out. Okay, so me, so you can see we have me and then me in name 1 and then name 2 using the intersection method. Okay, so we can use let's try another method. Set another cell, just paste this, then we have difference. Okay, so difference. Where's the error? Set object has no attribute difference. Okay, so difference. Okay, so the difference, we have I and U. So I and U aren't part of name 2. Okay, so using the difference to see to compare the values which aren't in name 2. Okay, let's see any other method here. So we have another method called union. So union, let's print this out. Okay, so union is going to join everything. Okay, so let's insert another cell, paste this. I'm going to change here to union. So name 1 dot union. Okay, so we want to merge the two sets. Okay, so you can see we have them here, I, you, she, and me. So here I, you, she, and me. Okay, so you can see it has removed, because me appears twice here, it has removed the me, one of the me's, and then we have only one me. So that sets there are other methods we can use, but we are going to stay here for this particular session. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you on next tutorial.